Hello, welcome to Quick Code Academy. So today we are going to learn about how to find even or odd number in JavaScript. So let's start. So let's take one variable, let number. So let's initialize this value with the number s3 as of now. So what is even or odd number first? So the number which is divisible by 2 and for which we get remainder as 0, so that is considered as even number. So now if number divided by 2 and if that remainder is 0, then we can call that number as even. So let's write that console statement. Dollar number is even. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then we can call it as an odd. So let's write this statement again. Odd. So let's run this one. So here, since we have input this value to 3, so that is why it is coming as 3 is odd. So let's take some even number now. So let's take 4. Let's run this program. So 4 is even. Likewise, we can take any number. 12 is even number. Now let's take 13. 13 is odd number. So this is the program for odd and even number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.